We've had amazing cheer squad today. These young girls have kept it up all day. Well done, girls. And we've actually had something to cheer about, which has been great.
And how are you feeling? Obviously, your hair, and Wasim Akram obviously is one of the mentors over here. So what would you say about that, being over here and seeing the beautiful atmosphere?
I think it's the last few games I've been to has just been really great to be here and see all of the Pakistanis in the audience, and I hope to a good league.
And you're also part of the Akram Foundation, and so you obviously are so engaged with that, helping out lots of children. So what would you say, what is your reaction to that? How's that going?
The Akram Foundation is doing really, really well at the moment. Our foundation is basically about finding smaller charities that aren't doing so great or are struggling with money or charity, and we help promote them and help get them the funds that they need.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, Shanara. Enjoy yourself.
Iftikhar wants to get out, it appears. Shane Watson circling around that Skyer, missed it. Oh, couldn't find the gap there. The fine leg was up in the ring, and he was absolutely dead set on hitting it over the top, but somehow miscued it. This was that chance that was not taken, a difficult one. Shane Watson was the fielder.
Was this a defining moment? Right there, this game could have changed. And I think Shane Watson knows he could have done better.
It's a top edge and a good one. Obviously trying to bounce him out, and he's been rather frustrated at the crease now. Iftikhar once again gets an edge, but this time it's a decent result. Yeah, in fact, the splice of the bat.
They're obsessed with bowling short at him.
Up in the air, will this be taken? Sharjeel takes it. It's a good running catch. Well, this innings from him, Iftikhar was going nowhere. He was trying to get out. Maybe this is his way of operating in a limited overs game, but obviously he couldn't middle much. And he's gone after scoring a scratchy 19 from 20. It's 71 for 5.
टूटी फ्रूटी क्रिस्टल्स के साथ सॉफ्ट और जूसी बूम बूम बबल गम मन को बुला दो
बदलेगा एक पल में हर पल बदलेगा
गिगली एक्लेयर्स कैरामल के अंदर फाइनेस्ट प्रीमियम चॉकलेट लाइफ के बहुत से फ्लेवर्स में एक पल में बदले हर पल।
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें। Win a chance of a lifetime. Call 111-111-425 और log on to hbl.com. जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL.
मोबिलिन के करोड़ों दिलों के सिकंदर लाहौर कलंदर्स।
Good cricketer, good all-round cricketer. Well, the stage is set for him to showcase his talent and ability. Shakib is called for 2. Only be 1. $72 for 5.
BTCL मुफ्ती वो ऑफर अब Evo Wingle बिल्कुल फ्री और अनलिमिटेड इंटरनेट सिर्फ 1500 का बैलेंस लोड करने पर। तो जल्दी करें। BTCL।
ये सुनहरी किरणें हैं सुनहरी बैंक की। चाहे आप रिटेल बैंकिंग कस्टमर हों या इस्लामिक बैंकिंग कस्टमर, अपनी 240 से ज्यादा ब्रांचेस के साथ सुनहरी बैंक सूरज की तरह रखता है आपको यकसा ख्याल। सुनहरी बैंक, रोशन हर कदम।
टेलेनॉर टॉक शॉक हफ्तावार सहूलत ऑफर 7 दिन के लिए पाओ 70 मिनट्स दूसरे नेटवर्क्स पर 700 टेलेनॉर मिनट्स और 700 SMS सिर्फ 95 रुपए बमा टैक्स। अभी *5*7# मिलाओ।
Sami bowls a good one, gets it past the point fielder, at least 2 if not more, that hits the fence. Sparkling timing. Really was well timed by the left-hander. Just a squeeze, got it past point, but it had enough legs to make it to the fence.
I think you're seeing the class of Shakib Al Hasan here. There's nothing fancy about him. He just goes about the business. This is a good delivery. It's full. It's in at the block hole. Not much more you can do about it. Gets a boundary. And it's the first ball, which really creates a lot of pressure on Mohammad Sami. He's the man right now, this man.
Another Yorker. This time it gets collected by Shane Watson. The idea is right. You've got to pitch the ball up. Iftikhar is the last man dismissed. Caught by Sharjeel off race. Couldn't control the pull shot there. Front foot pull shot. Wanted a 6. He wasn't really middling them. In the end, he was out caught and found wanting in this innings.
If this innings goes deep, you watch Ravi Bopara and Shakib Al Hasan running between the wickets. That's where they're going to be hard to chain. Both very quick. And they realize it's not only about hitting boundaries now, it's about hitting it deep into the gaps, running the 2s, 2 or 3 2s, and then you get the 1 boundary, and 8, 9 and over is really within reach. That's all that's needed. But I do think it's going to go to the wire. It's going to be in the balance, and there's going to be a defining time. Somewhere along the line, there'll be an opportunity for both sides to win it. It's who plays the big moment well that'll go home with the spoils here.
I just hope that he's looking to get him out. Bopara facing his first ball. Sami can be quick. Gets off the mark quite easily. Just angling his bat and getting a run. Hamster. Rejected by his own city, welcomed with open arms by Islamabad because we believed in him. What a comeback story for Mohammad Sami, and that's true actually. His skills are not recognized anymore by Pakistan. He plays a couple of T20 leagues. He's an honest, hard-working individual, a dutiful horse he is. Square drives it for a run.
Remember him on his day when he first came in, and he had that lovely shape away at fantastic pace. What a find he was. So 7 off the over, 1 to come. Big ball this. Can't go for a boundary now. Required 8.76. So anything under that 7 area, you're doing well.
That's a good last ball. He was under pressure, but it has turned out to be not such a bad over. Just 7 from it. 79 for 5.
टेलेनॉर टॉक शॉक हफ्तावार सहूलत ऑफर 7 दिन के लिए पाओ 70 मिनट्स दूसरे नेटवर्क्स पर 700 टेलेनॉर मिनट्स और 700 SMS सिर्फ 95 रुपए बमा टैक्स। अभी *5*7# मिलाओ।
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी। क्या बात है।
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करे रूह अफ़ज़ा।
तो और क्या चाहिए।
Cheers back, क्योंकि बढ़ना है आगे।
बने exciting.
With a remodel bowling action, Saeed Ajmal fires one down the leg side, starts with a wide. Couldn't have been an easy thing for him to do. Reload his bowling action.
No, it could not have been, and a lot of stress. Let's just have a look and see who's got what. There's after this is 5 overs left, so Russell bowled one for sure. We know Saeed Ajmal's got one left. That's two gone. So we're looking for 3 more. Shane Watson's got 2. So he probably bowled 2 of them. You're looking for 1 from someone. Is it Sami? Is it Khalid? Some good bowlers still to play, so everybody will be aware of their role here. Shane Watson's having a little power there. Talking about what line, where do you want me to bowl?
It's so easy to captain Saeed Ajmal because he's such a wily campaigner that he'll set his own field. It's a different angle now from over the stumps to the right-hander. There's the reverse flick. And there she goes and hits the fence. What a start to the over. Really was well managed. Not an easy shot to play, but because he's not spinning the ball that much these days, I think this shot is definitely on, and well, craftiness at its very best. Good running, easily done, even though the fielder was in, but Shakib is so quick.
Just sense now they know exactly how to play this. You're going to need to work really hard to you got to get them out. You're going to play, just knock it around and get the odd boundary, keep the pressure on you as a bowling side.
Catch it is the call. It's a big wicket. This is huge. Imran Khalid takes the catch. Saeed Ajmal has provided the crowds with a bit of frenzy situation. This is magnificent stuff indeed. Shakib was threatening to take this game away from the opposition, and well, Kings have lost a good one in him. Couldn't resist. He likes that shot, but the field was extremely well set, and he's gone 20 from 22, 86 for 6.
टूटी फ्रूटी क्रिस्टल्स के साथ सॉफ्ट और जूसी बूम बूम बबल गम मन को बुला दो
बदलेगा एक पल में हर पल बदलेगा
Giglia Clears कैरामल के अंदर फाइनेस्ट प्रीमियम चॉकलेट लाइफ के बहुत से फ्लेवर्स में एक पल में बदले हर पल।
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें। Win a chance of a lifetime. Call 111-111-425 और log on to hbl.com. जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL।
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी। क्या बात है।
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करें रूह अफ़ज़ा।
तो और क्या चाहिए।
Cheers back, क्योंकि बढ़ना है आगे।
It's still not over, folks. I tell you, is Robbie Bopara still there? As long as he's there, it's going to go close. It's going to go to the wire. One big over. That's all it needs.
Round the stumps now to the right-hander. It's a quick single. It's a quick single and well managed by the non-striker. He ran well. Saifullah Bangash, the keeper.
Oh, it's on an edge now. It's building up. This is the wicket. Now, Shakib just hit it too square and too flat. Oh, he's not moving.
Straight up.
That's gone up in the air. Catch it is the call. It's another one to Saeed Ajmal. He's turned it around for his side. No reaction from Said because he feels obviously this was on the cards and an easy thing for him to achieve. A child's play. He's befuddled the newcomer with an arm delivery and he's gone the keeper for naught. 87 for 7 now.
टूटी फ्रूटी क्रिस्टल्स के साथ सॉफ्ट और जूसी बूम बूम बबल गम मन को फुला दो.
बदलेगा एक पल में हर पल बदलेगा.
गिगली एक्लेयर्स कैरेमल के अंदर फाइनेस्ट प्रीमियम चॉकलेट लाइफ के बहुत से फ्लेवर्स में एक पल में बदले हर पल.
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें. विन अ चांस ऑफ अ लाइफ टाइम. कॉल 111-111-425 और लॉग ऑन टू hbl.com. जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL.
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी. क्या बात है.
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करें रूह अफ़ज़ा.
तो और क्या चाहिए.
Syed Ajmal spins a little weave of magic.
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी. क्या बात है.
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करें रूह अफ़ज़ा.
तो और क्या चाहिए.
Shane Watson resumes. Could be close.
Bopara, the last man standing now. All hopes on Bopara, but what an over from Syed Ajmal. Trying to turn it on the onside. Easy catch at cover. 2 for 8 in that over, and game's shifted. United in front.
Well, Ravi Bopara, I'm not sure if he knows this, but Sohail Tanvir has got 5 first-class centuries. So he knows, or he should know, that at the other end he's got someone who can bat. Sohail Tanvir, he's a really very, very well-equipped cricketer. 45 wanted from 29. Oh, Bopara's come out of the blocks. He came a long way down the pitch.
Was that the chance to close out the game? Kamran Ghulam at cover, and if he had hit that, the substitute fielder would have done a massive job. Bopara survives. So do Kings.
Misbah ul Haq with a calf injury. How bad it is, we don't know. Swing and a miss. No pace, no bounce this time.
He likes the onside. He likes that square leg or mid-wicket region. But Watson's normal or natural angle is across the left-hander, so it'll be a bit difficult fetching him to that onside. That's the way he goes. Sohail Tanvir.
Yeah, 3 men on the leg side fence. There's going to be 4 now because Watson has seen the intention of Sohail Tanvir, so he's got 4 men back now. Outer ring of fire in red. There they are, long on, deep mid-wicket, deep square and fine leg. And a ring, inner ring on the offside. It's either going to be short like that or Watson's going to bowl it right up into the block holes. Now, he's going to change it now. Every ball is an event. It's not just an over you bowl. You bowl, it's every ball. So now, Watson's asked for fine leg to come up, and he's coming up, and he's pushing his mid-off back.
Because he's exhausted his bouncer opportunity. Now he'll go full.
Well read, Baz. You were a bowler, really, weren't you? Come on, you were a bowler.
That hard maybe, but any over now without a boundary is a bonus. Last ball, still 44 needed, so ideally Bopara would look for the boundary. Second best is a single.
Bopara's just had a look around here. Now what he's very good at is deflecting with pace. So third man and fine leg are up. They're up inside the circle. Little deflection will go. Well, keep hold of it was the shout from Sam Billings. Keep hold of the ball. 16 gone. It's 90 for 7.
BTCL मुफ्ती वो ऑफर अब Evo Wingle बिल्कुल फ्री और अनलिमिटेड इंटरनेट सिर्फ 1500 का बैलेंस लोड करने पर तो जल्दी करें BTCL।
ये सुनहरी किरणें हैं सुनहरी बैंक की। चाहे आप रिटेल बैंकिंग कस्टमर हों या इस्लामिक बैंकिंग कस्टमर, अपनी 240 से ज्यादा ब्रांचेस के साथ सुनहरी बैंक सूरज की तरह रखता है आपका यकसा ख्याल। सुनहरी बैंक, रोशन हर कदम।
खाना बने एक्साइटिंग।
टेलेनॉर टॉक शॉक हफ्तावार सहूलत ऑफर 7 दिन के लिए पाओ 70 मिनट दूसरे नेटवर्क्स पर 700 टेलेनॉर मिनट्स और 700 SMS सिर्फ 95 रुपए बमा टैक्स। अभी *5*7# मिलाओ।
Roman Reis back in the attack, left armour.
It's gone a long way down, hit the stumps, he's gone. Bullseye from Reis. Brilliant piece of cricket.
These two have given them a couple of opportunities, and this time Reis accepts. Sohail Tanveer gone for 1, 90 for 8.
टूटी फ्रूटी क्रिस्टल्स के साथ सॉफ्ट और जूसी बूम बूम बबल गम। बूम बूम बबल गम मन को बुला दो।
बदलेगा एक पल में हर पल बदलेगा।
Giggly Eclairs, कैरामल के अंदर फाइनेस्ट प्रीमियम चॉकलेट, लाइफ के बहुत से फ्लेवर्स में एक पल में बदले हर पल।
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें। विन अ चांस ऑफ अ लाइफ टाइम। कॉल 111-111-425 और लॉग ऑन टू hbl.com। जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL।
मोबिलिन के करोड़ों दिलों के सिकंदर, लाहौर कलंदर।
अब नया पैक और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी।
डिंग डोंग की मूवी देखी बड़ा मजा आया। मुझे डिंग डोंग बबल की बिल्ली के सारे दोस्त अच्छे लगे। डिंग डोंग बबल।
43 required in 23 balls. Here's Reis.
He'll have to do it on his own. Ravi Bopara, he'll have to take his chances. You know he's a dangerous bat, but 8 down. He'll have to pull something out of the bag. 11.45, the required rate. Another confusion. The slow one. Bopara take a couple of steps, but Sohail Tanveer committed himself.
He's done a really fantastic job in the 2 matches he's played, Roman Reis. He's been neat, he's been economical, he gives nothing. He really does bowl a very, very economical line. He's hard to get away, nags away. So 42 required in 21. And of course, they've lost their first 2 matches. Karachi Kings have won one of their 2. It's a massive night for Islamabad cricket.
And couple that with a slower bouncer. He's got the tools as well. He's got a few slower ones, and that slower bouncer he bowls extremely well. Sam Amir, well, ball was going north and he was south. Brilliant bowling. Run rate goes up. Each ball, it's going up.
Yeah, that's well bowled. Bowled again, a different pace. They can only get the single.
Something has to give now. Bopara, he can't wait too long now till he chances his arm. Almost up to 13s. Does he still take the single or tries for that essential boundary?
Well, the run rate is a fraction below 13. 41 in 19 required. Leg side flick, it should be 2. No, it won't. It'll only be 1. End of the over.
सुनहरी सुबह का सूरज दिखाता, घुप अंधेरों से पर्दा उठाता, अपनी 240 से जायद ब्रांचेस के साथ सुनहरी बैंक, रोशन हर कदम।
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी, क्या बात है।
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करे रूह अफ़ज़ा।
तो और क्या चाहिए।
Jazz Excite feature phones or Jazz Explore smartphones.
I've got my Jazz X. Go get yours.
Modeling Jazz X.
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें। Win a chance of a lifetime. Call 111-111-425 और log on to hbl.com. जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL.
And Sami now with the ball. He's bowling it with some pretty good pace as well. So 40 required in the last 3 overs for Karachi.
He is a finisher, Ravi Bopara, and now is his opportunity. Pace on the ball, fine leg up, third man up.
It's down the ground, he'll only get 1. Saeed Ajmal, the fielder.
And a single to Ravi Bopara doesn't hurt United. All according to plan. They want to bowl at Usama Mir. The more they see Bopara on the non-strikers then, the closer to victory they are. Watson just making sure that he gets the field exactly right.
If you're wondering why Shane Watson is taking charge here, it's because Misbah ul Haq is off the field with a calf injury. So Shane Watson, acting skipper for Islamabad United. Save the single, he says. Save the single. Scoop shot. Samamir might have seen Ravi Bopara play that in his time before, but doesn't come off.
Adventurous, to say the least, but a dot ball. Closing in on their first victory. Obvious nerves. But they'd want to bowl at Usama. Sami doing a good job. Now another change in the field. Third man comes up. Mid-off is also up.
It's well bowled. That's a good full length. It's difficult to get away. And the ball is that full when it's almost on your toes. Let me let a batsman tell you how difficult it is to get away. Baz?
Pretty much impossible.
And he bowled 1 or 2 in his career.
And he liked it too. Liked the length. But does Bopara make his move now?
Well, he's got to. Simple as that. He's got to. Oh, magnificent. Exocet Yorker.
Pressure on. Dean Jones ticks the box. That's a fantastic delivery. Tailed in as well, so Sami getting it exactly right.
Bowled with the precision of a surgeon. He couldn't have bowled that any better.
Need a boundary right here, right now.
There's big down the ground. Yes, that's a great hit.
Fantastic shot under pressure. Pitched up. He missed the Yorker this time, and he missed the front line as well. He's bowled a no ball, and it's gone for a maximum. So just in the space of one ball, 100 also brought up. Now he's got a free hit and a little twist.
Yeah, the 100 comes up, overstepping the mark, Mohammad Sami. So a big six. That's one of the biggest we've seen on the ground in the first 4 days. So now it's a free hit here for Ravi Bopara. He carves it round leg side. No. Surely they can't go back for a second. No, Bopara says, get back.
Oh, just got away with that one, Sami. It was a slow one, but the length was there. Just no timing from Bopara. Still need 13 balls. Samar Mir, he has to get a boundary at this ball. No use taking a single. Have to take a chance here. Third man is up. Maybe a little nick past the keeper.
Well, anything, yeah. Third man is up inside the circle. Little faint edge here past Sam Billings. You don't draw pictures on the scorebook, you just mark the number. Oh, another Yorker. Outstanding bowling, this. That's really brilliant. Over 2 to go. It's 104 for 8.